In this video, I'm going to be giving you 4 products that are going to help you get rid of your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots, or any kind of pigmentation on your skin. The last product that I'm going to be giving you in this video is the most affordable and one of the most effective that you can get your hands on to treat hyperpigmentation. So stay tuned for it. Put your body lotion all over that. After consistent use of using this serum, like alpha-butane is such a powerful ingredient that is used in beauty formulations of today to give you a more brighter, even toned skin. So if you use this as a serum directly on the areas of your skin that has hyperpigmentation, it is definitely going to be effective. Like within a few weeks of use, you are going to start seeing visible results in your skin. So make sure that you start using this one. You can use it like every 2 to 3 days. Like it doesn't have to be a daily solution. You can use it 2 or 3 times per week to start seeing results, and then make sure you apply your lotion and sunscreen over it. You are going to see some good results using this particular product. So the next product that I have here is the ordinary peeling solution. I've talked about this particular solution a lot. It is very effective. Like if you have acne, spots, hyperpigmentation, I really love how effective this particular peeling solution is. The Ordinary makes such really nice products. So one thing you need to know when using this particular peeling solution is that you should not use it for more than 10 minutes at a time. No matter how serious your issue is, or your spots or your hyperpigmentation is, I don't advise it. It is actually written on this product label that you should not use it for more than 10 minutes, because it can actually worsen your issue if you use it longer than that. And if you have sensitive skin, please make sure that you don't use it for more than 5 minutes, and you can now wash it out. You can use this like 2 to 3 times per week, and then apply like a Vaseline or a moisturizer on the particular affected area. Like if you are using this particular peeling solution, you need to be very careful. Don't apply it at a time that you know you're going to like head out in the sun. Make sure to use it at night. At night is best. So if you're using it at night, you can be sure that you don't have to go out in the sun. It can actually make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so you need to be careful when using this peeling solution. Like it's actually going to work for you, but you need to use it consistently. Like all things in skincare, you need to be a bit more consistent in using it. It's a BHA and an AHA, so it is very effective. Don't use it for more than 10 minutes, and don't wash it out with soap. Just use like a normal water to rinse it out, and apply like your Vaseline or your normal moisturizer on it. And after like a couple of weeks of use, you should begin to see tremendous improvements. You can use it like 2 to 3 times per week on the affected areas, and you're going to see visible results. Next product that I'm going to be recommending in this particular video for you to try out if you're having hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or pigmentation on your skin is the Ordinary glycolic acid. Yes, I know I've recommended a lot of Ordinary products in this video, but their products are just that good. Their products are really effective. So if you have any skin issue or like hyperpigmentation, they have specific products that target hyperpigmentation. The only thing with this glycolic acid is that you need to use it like for a while to begin to see results. But like all of the other products I recommended in this video, you actually need to use it like for a while to be able to see any visible results. Like products like this require consistent use to see visible results, but glycolic acid can actually fade your dark spots, dark knuckles, dark knees. Like if you're having dark patches on your body, this is like a good way to start off using it. But you need to be very careful. Don't use this like on a daily basis. This solution, you can use it with like a cotton pad, like apply it. It's not like a serum, it's like a toner. So you can use it as a toner on your skin on the affected area. You can use like a cotton pad to like wipe up the area of your skin. Like don't rinse it out, then use it like every other day. Don't use it like every day to avoid like having any issues on your skin. And then also make sure to use like a good sunscreen and rinse it off the next day. Then take up your body lotion and like apply on your skin, or any other stuff that you apply on your skin, but don't rinse it out after application. And also make sure that you apply it like every alternating days. Like it doesn't have to be every single day that you use this on your skin. And if you use it consistently, you're definitely going to see tremendous results. The glycolic acid from the Ordinary is really effective, and glycolic acid is a chemical exfoliant that can help your skin get rid of dead skin cells, like get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation. This is specifically what it is targeted to do. So it's definitely going to help your skin improve in appearance and texture. So the last but not the least product that I promised you guys that is going to be easily accessible, affordable, and very effective on treating hyperpigmentation and spots is the Koji San skin brightening or skin lightening soap. So this particular soap, I've talked about it in like some of my other videos. This particular soap is very effective. But one thing you need to know when you're using this soap is that it is not an everyday soap. This is not going to be your daily moisturizing body soap. You should not use this soap every single day. I would recommend that you use it 2 to 3 times per week or even 4 times per week, but only on the affected areas of your skin that is darker than normal. Like if you're having dark knees, dark knuckles, elbows, dark armpits, like if your armpits are really really darker, then you need to target using this soap. But make sure that you use it on the areas specifically that have the dark spots. Okay, this particular soap has kojic acid as the major ingredient. Kojic acid is a natural skin brightening agent that is going to help you. Like, it has a lot of kojic acid, and it's going to target those areas of your skin that is darker than normal and actually brighten it out. One thing I would advise is that if you're using it on like your face that has dark spots, you can just like apply it on a Q-tip and then dab it on those spots of your face that has the dark area or the spots on your face, and like just leave it there and then rinse it off the next day and take your bath or your shower with like your normal body soap. Don't use this as your daily soap. And also make sure that if you're using it overnight, make sure that when you're using it, rather, it should be at a time where you don't have to go out into the sun, because kojic acid can actually make your skin a bit more sensitive to the sun. And then you can also top up with a good sunscreen to make sure that your skin doesn't react to the sun or doesn't get sunburn. So that is the last product I have for you guys. This particular kojic acid soap is very very effective. So if you are looking for something easily accessible, because I know that you can actually get it around you, like it is a soap that is pretty common. It's sold for around like 1,500 to like 2,000 naira in Nigeria, so you can actually get it. But if you want, you can order from Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description box for you to check it out. But this particular soap is effective when it comes to skin lightening or hyperpigmentation areas, like lightening areas of your skin that are darker. So if you've not already tried it, this is your sign and this is your recommendation to try it out, because it is going to be effective and it is going to work for you. So thank you guys for watching. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing down below, and also giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.